Time, your most important resource. Hello everyone, Roan Celis here of 1 Million Club. In this video, pag-usapan natin ang importance ng time. You will discover the reward when you're able to use it wisely. Ang bawat isa sa atin ay may 24 hours. Si Henry C. may 24 hours. Si John Gokong Wei may 24 hours. Ikaw din, may 24 hours. Pero bakit di mayaman ang lahat? Dahil sa time management. How you spend your time is more important than how you spend your money. Sabi nga ni Brian Tracy, time cannot be saved. It can only be spent. Tignan natin ang nangyayari sa loob ng 24 hours ng halos karamihan. We sleep for 8 hours. We work for 8 hours. 3 hours for travel, papunta ng opisina at pauwi ng bahay. 2 hours for lunch and dinner. So sabihin na natin may 3 hours ka na spare time. How do you spend your spare time? In reality, majority nanonood ng teleseries, naglalaro ng games, shopping, namimili sa mall. Alam mo bang ang lahat ng to ay low-value activities? Kaya kung isa sa mga to ang habit mo, realize na it's not good. Instead, do high-value activities. Focus on upgrading your skill. Sa panahon ngayon, madali nang mag-leverage because of technology. Nandyan ang YouTube and Google. Ano bang pwede mong gawin? You can study how to create video. You can research and study internet marketing if you have a plan to have a business. You can watch videos about cooking. Marami kang pwedeng aralin. Depende sa interest mo. Aside from using the internet, during your spare time, you can read books about leadership, about virtual careers, or online jobs. You can attend seminars about investing to know how your money can work for you. You can also attend seminar about improving your relationships. Kung gagamitin mo mabuti ang spare time mo na 3 hours per day, Monday to Friday, wag na nating isama ang weekends. Alam mo bang in 1 year, that's equivalent to 1,095 hours or 45 days. Being productive in your spare time will give you an exponential rewards. And ito yung mga yon. You become more responsible. You develop winning habits. You enjoy. Productive people are more happy. They don't know the word boring. As Jim Rohn said, happiness is not something you postpone for the future. It is something you design for the present. Wonderful life. Since you are productive, you become highly paid person. Money is not a problem to you. So you can have more time for other areas of your life. Spiritual, relationships, and health. Your life will be different. You can have alternative source of income. You can start a small business or part-time virtual career to increase your cash flow. You retire young. Since you have multiple sources of income, you can quit your full-time job kahit na 40 years old ka pa lang. And lastly, daily fulfillment. Fulfillment is appreciating and utilizing whatever life gives you. When you do your best daily, when you grow and give, you will be fulfilled. Do you want to improve your financial situation? First step is to educate yourself. We are conducting free practical money management and investment strategies in Makati and Cebu. For those located in other provinces and outside the Philippines, we are conducting webinar. 1 Million Club is here to help you. Please visit www.1millionclub.com and please subscribe if you like this video. And if you want to learn more about investments, you may also email me at roan@1millionclub.com. Thank you for watching this video.